Come back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Applied UV Inc. And today the stock is up 31.73%, trading at $1.36. Today's range has been from $1.22 all the way up to $1.53. 52-week range is from 86 cents all the way up to $12.15. And today's volume is off the charts. 70 million shares have exchanged hands so far, and that compares to the average volume of shares on a typical day that would be at 144,000 shares. So if we look at the company, we will find out that Applied UV Inc. engages in the development, acquisition, and commercialization of technology that addresses air pollution, purification, and infection control in the healthcare, hospitality, commercial, municipal, and residential markets. It operates through the following segments: disinfection, hospitality, and corporate. The disinfection segment designs, manufactures, assembles, and distributes automated disinfecting mirror systems for use in hospitals and other healthcare facilities. The hospitality segment manufactures fine mirrors specifically for the hospitality industry. The corporate segment represents expenses primarily related to corporate governance, such as board fees, legal expenses, audit fees, executive management, and listing costs. The company was founded on February 26, 2019, and is headquartered in Mount Vernon, New York. Company employs 61 people. So there you have it, guys. This company, they produce, I believe, the type of mirrors that you see in restaurants or kitchens, where if bacteria or some kinds of insects come there, then they get zapped. I believe that's the type. And they say they also produce mirrors for the hospitality industry. So that would mean probably when you go to places like amusement parks, hotels, the type of mirrors that they have there, they might employ some kind of UV lighting to disinfect these mirrors without having to wipe them down. So for whatever reason, I don't know what the deal is. I think they landed a big contract though. They landed a big contract to participate in a certain bid offering, and that is why the stock is jumping up so much. I forget the details of the contract, but they actually did land a huge contract, and I believe that's part of the reason why the stock is running today. As we are talking about Applied UV, let's take a quick look here. Let me see what they have on in the news. Wire services. So let's see here, Applied UV, and well, you could see that the stock was actually much higher earlier in the day, even though it's still up 31%. That's huge. But in the news, well, we have this that just came out today. Applied UV announced its inclusion in a multi-million-dollar contract offering, and a little bit about that. So it concerns schools in the state of Washington. So you have the wording of the press release that says that Applied UV Inc., a pathogen elimination technology company that applies the power of narrow-range ultraviolet light for surface areas and catalytic bioconversion technology for air purification to destroy pathogens safely, thoroughly, and automatically, announces that its wholly owned subsidiary, Sterilumen, has been notified that its US dealer, DA International, has been included in a multi-million-dollar contract, which will include in its offering the company's suite of Airocide air purification solutions and other related disinfection supplies to non-public schools throughout the state of Washington. So there you have it, guys. So that's a huge contract, and if it proves that this is helping keep students healthy and they don't transfer bugs from one student to the next, or from students to workers and vice versa. This might see more adoption by more and more states across the union. So that's a huge win for Applied UV Inc. And we wish all the investors in this company good luck and congratulations on your huge increase in your portfolio today. That's what I had to share with you guys. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one.